guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN, and today episode on how to drink your fruits. We're doing a four ingredients smoothie. I'm been using oranges, pawpaw, watermelon, and pineapple. So I'm just squeezing the orange directly into the smoothie maker because I ain't got time. So I'm just going to squeeze the orange juice straight in so that my water content is close to the blades, and then I'm going to pop in watermelon, pawpaw, and pineapple. So I actually made a mistake when I was doing this. I wanted to arrange it in a way. Normally, if I'm taking my time, I put the watermelon below and then pop the pineapple and the pawpaw on top. So this is done, and all we're going to do is just blend this out. So yes, our smoothie is done. Watermelon, pineapple, pawpaw, and orange juice. Guys, have you tried this combination before? It is divine. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and please keep sharing with your friends. It makes all the difference that you're enjoying the videos and then you're learning different ways to drink your fruits. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.